guys, so here we have the chicken and we're gonna put squeeze lemon. Let's try this chicken now. So good.
Hello everyone, welcome back. So you saw the food review from my food taster. He said this tastes good. It is really good. A new flavor for many of us because this is called Peri Peri Chicken. It's a must-try recipe for spicy food lover. Also, you can decrease spiciness in it. So this recipe is originated from Africa and Portuguese culture, and it has a very nice flavor. I'll share all the ingredients here in the description below. You can just take a look how it is done. So here I've taken bamboo stick, soak it in the water for a few minutes. So let's prepare the peri peri sauce. Here I've taken white onion half, less than half lemon, 3 sweet bell peppers, olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Here are the spices that we are going to add to the blender. So we have garlic powder, Italian seasoning, we have paprika, you can add chipotle spice powder, or cayenne pepper, salt here, and rosemary. These all are 1 teaspoon, and also I've taken 4 garlic cloves. Now we will blend everything together. We have oil here, so don't add water or yogurt. Just this is good. Also you can add vinegar if you want, but as already I've added lemon here, so I don't want it to be little tangy or too much of lemony taste to it. This peri peri sauce goes well with whole chicken. You can add it to chicken drumstick, chicken in bones. It goes well with everything. Very, very good, nice flavor which we ever tried. I really didn't try this peri peri sauce before, so when we made it, it was so good. It has a very mesmerizing flavors. So here I'm adding little black pepper. Although this recipe is very spicy, but it is upon us. We can make it mild also, taking less spice powder. So here I'm going to place it on a kebab stick. You can also make a chicken nuggets. To I'm trying a different style in this recipe. So here I placed half onion, white onion, placing the square like this. Now I'm adding the chicken tenders, which is marinated. I did not refrigerate the chicken tenders. It's just marinated and cooking directly. I would suggest you just marinate and place it on the air fry basket just like that, instead of placing it like this. This was just, I want to try something like this in my air fryer. So I did this for 385 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. I cut it into nugget shape and then again did another 5 to 8 minutes. So we get nice brown on top. I really want that brown texture on top, so I did few more minutes. When we cut, it looks like this, so I really want brown on top. So we brush oil and I air fried it once again. So this is the final look, how it is after doing for extra 5 minutes. So you can marinate the peri peri sauce and place it like that instead of using the whole tender chicken. You can do it with chicken thigh or chicken breast also, but the flavor is just outstanding. Very, very good.
Bye friends, enjoy your meal.
My kids loved it. We enjoyed this thing, and Peri chicken is taking the world by storm with its garlicky flavor. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.